Oh, look, a butterfly. I love butterflies. Hey, do you want to be my friend? What? Hi, butterfly. I know that we just met, and it's strange. What the hell? New bird? Let me go see. Where are you? What the? I'm getting after you. Watch where you're going. Well, flying. Hey. Who are you? I'm Android. Nice to meet you. Android? Like the phone? I hate when... Android, keep calm. No. You know you don't hit girls. You know you don't hit girls. You don't hit girls. Okay. No. Android is the Teemo version of the... Fine. I just met you, so I won't beat you up. Anyways, who are you? I'm not letting you go. What do you want from me? Who are you and why are you here? Because I'm here because I can be. Okay? See this. I can't see anything. No, you're not going anywhere. Do you understand me? Yeah, I understand you. Now can I just go? Like, you're taking my time. No. Shh. You're the one that was looking at me first. Now, I have questions for you. Are you an alien? Are you a spy? Just let me go! No. No. That's not how things work around here. Like I was saying, yeah. Who are you? What's your name? Wait. Let me take a good look at you. You're an owl. Duh. Owls don't usually hang around here, but man. What? Where you came from? I know owls don't just lurk around here. I'm not telling you. Tell me. Or else you're never gonna get the chance to get out. Okay? You keep on forgetting. I still have my foot on your foot. Don't you forget. Don't you keep on forgetting that, okay? Okay. Now sit your butt up and look at me. Look at me. Huh? Okay. So, you know that owls don't sing. Okay. What type of owl are you anyways? Emily doesn't like when other owls live with us. Just let me go. You gotta try harder than that. I gotta try harder than that. Alright. You forgot you were still a macaw and I'm an owl. I have better talents than you. You really don't. 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 I really did think I was a macaw. Well, I forgot that owls are stronger than macaws, so. Still gotta watch where you're flying. You ain't never know where you going. I ain't done talking to you. Okay. Huh? So, where'd you come from and why are you here? I'm here because I can be here. Whatever. What's your name? We will welcome you to the Birds crew. Okay. Okay. I heard about this Birds crew and I kind of wanted to join. So why were you just spying and why were you running away? I was shy, okay? Oh my gosh. I get that every bird is shy to join. Yeah. My name's Bella. Bella. Bella, 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 Bella. Boom, 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 boom. Can I just go explore the house? Sure. Let me show you. Come on. Ooh, what's this you're watching? Oh, you could call this, what are they called? I think they're called, yeah, this might be Roblox chat, X-Recorder, now Nike Cap Cup video. Can you repeat that? Listen here, Owl. Just because you're new doesn't mean you're the boss here, okay? You understand me? I understand. No! Say it without stuttering. I understand you. Good girl. Huh? Don't freak out like that. Now, this is your new life. Come over here.